vibe, I'm getting hypnotized. Cause high in the sky, that's my prototype. Everything is fire, yeah, I'm gonna lie, yeah, yeah, neither I'm shy, yeah, yeah, spitting on the mic. They go for hiking, I'm psychic, Nike, praise the almighty, say everything's fine. Everything's fire, yeah, I'm gonna lie, yeah, yeah, neither I'm shy, yeah, spitting on the mic.
Pull up, pull up, pull up on me. Pull up, pull up, pull up on me. Tell me that you want this, tell me that you won't miss this love, love. Tell me that you won't leave, cause it can get crazy, my love. Time passing, but I can't give it up. So tell me that you miss this, and you wanna kiss this, my love.
Ich schulde kurz Alexa und frage, wer ist besser. Sie sagt mir nur, zur Zeit ist die der beste Rapper. Ich sage mir nicht schlecht, ja, der Rap kommt noch viel besser. Wenn ich das Blicken bin, ist der Flow scharf wie ein Vermesser. Der große Traum vom Rapper, ich schulde kurz die Blätter und schreibe jeden Tag, die Texte werden immer besser. Die Show wie bei Vendetta, der Flow wird noch perfekter. Und Rapper hier aus Provinz von der Sonne und Dialekt.
Yeah. Check. A 1, 2, 3. I mean, no 3. Rest in between. Nothing to feel. That's what I need. Let's kind of 6. How much you feel? You're ready to be here. When it's great to want it to see. A person like me. I want to be a part of your tears. How much you feel? This is chill. This is still under the skin. I am the child of chaos in your mind. Living on the earth. The mind is yours. Your nightmares grow from the dirt. I'm the momentous thread that comes up with the birth.